So I'm going to season the pork ribs, not country style. These are regular spare ribs like you get when you eat at Bobby Rubino's or a place similar to that. A little cracked pepper on there will help. Better than the ground up pepper you buy. But sometimes it's just easier. And the same with the salt. Except somebody, I think, forgot to fill this up. So what I'm going to use is the pink salt. And then we have smoking hot so we can brown this. And I think my smoke alarm is going to go off any second. So while this is browning, I'm going to open up the window. Not too bad. So, okay, we brown this, turn on the side, brown it some more each side, and after that, then we add the rest of the ingredients. So you can waste time watching this, or just let me watch it until they're all browned. Well, that's good, except for the mistake I just made. You see the size of this pan? It's too damn big. So we're going to put this in the correct size, which is right here. How do you like that? Why don't I think? But in here, I don't want to lose that flavor that's in there. So into that pan, I'm going to put, you can hear it sizzling, that's the onions and the garlic. And the apples. Well, the reason being, you never want to cook the item you're cooking in a pot that's too big for it. Anyway, so all we say, we have this picking up the flavor that's in there, and that's all I wanted to do with this. Now I'm going to transfer this into there. If I had somebody else here with the camera, they could follow me, but I don't. So, got to live with it. There. Sauerkraut and the caraway seeds. And some of the water from the sauerkraut, which is a nice one that we got from the refrigerator section of the supermarket. But after this is all done, I'm going to get a head of cabbage, make my own sauerkraut, because it's so very healthy for you. And that's what I'm going to do. And the one that we bought was this baby. Right out of the jar, tastes so good. A lot better than the canned sauerkraut, let me tell you. Okay, get this down in there. A one-pan dinner for two. Take that lid. I like this pan because, see that lid? It fits so tight. And what I'm going to do is, this is the large burner, I'm putting it on low. And I'm going to set my timer for an hour and then come back and look at it. Well, it's been an hour, and I'm glad I left the skin on the apples. The red is nice in there. I'm smelling the caraway seeds. That's a good thing. So everything is going well. Don't bang. Whoops, I just threw that all over the place. I will give it another half hour, which will make it an hour and a half. And that's how long it usually takes me to cook ribs. Come back in a half hour. I want that to be separating from the bone and need just a little bit more. 15 minutes. Then I'm taking it out. That's it, done. So it's an hour and 45 minutes. So this is the last 15 minutes, and let's see what we have here. Ooh, that's perfect. So I'm going to make a plate. And later on, I'm having that for dinner at 7 o'clock. So what I'll do now is put it in, put some of that in a bowl. You could put some chopped parsley on it if you want to. Shut that off. Thank you. Take those ribs, all falling off the bone. Sauerkraut. Another rib. Some more kraut. How many did that make? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 3.5 a piece. 1, 2. And there you go. I hope you enjoy this. It smells great.